Hey guys, what is up? Welcome to a new daily market outlook. I hope you all had an amazing day yesterday in the Netherlands. Over here it is beautiful weather. I think it's like 30 degrees Celsius. You're really enjoying the great weather. Going to Portugal tomorrow, so we'll be bringing you guys on that journey as well. We'll be bringing my laptop and my microphone, so we'll be recording videos from there. But yeah, with that said, let's dive into today's episode and see what the market has been doing. So starting off with the dollar index is currently still in supply on the weekly time frame, looking for a pullback now finally to take place. We saw a doji yesterday, which could indicate slowdown on the daily time frame and a potential pullback. Looking at the 1 hour as well, what I find very interesting to see is this kind of minor trend change, this low being broken, pullback, and now potentially it pushed down lower with liquidation happening on this high. So now currently looking for further downside on the dollar index. Now moving in towards Aussie dollar is still in that bearish trend. Aussie dollar has been pushing up higher as pretty much explained yesterday, waiting for a pullback at least in towards this pretty much area of supply to fulfill that bearish order flow, furthermore in towards the downside, in towards at least 0.66834, which was a weekly area of demand. So yeah, that is it from Aussie dollar pretty much. Pretty simple. Euro dollar currently in a long on euro dollar, waiting for higher prices to get met. Why did I take a long? Well, what did we see? We saw a pullback over here, push down lower. That's ultimately again this high. So we had break of structure, then we had this low over here, we had this pullback, push down, push up, break of this high, this becomes your low, this becomes your high, pullback in towards this area of demand, and now looking for a further push up to initiate a nice pullback. Of course, it's a risky trade, but I am loving what I'm seeing. I also went in towards other data that we have on euro dollar on OANDA or FXCM, and if I look at let me see the monthly time frame over here, we can see that we're inside of this beautiful imbalance over here. So I am now finally looking for some form of a pullback on euro dollar. So yeah, that's euro dollar, looking for further upside. Then pound dollar is a little bit unclear at the moment. I wouldn't really say that I'd like trading this. Potentially looking for further upside though. Why is that? Well, we had this low over here get broken, push down, push up, break of these highs, push down, push up, break of this high, strong low, weak high, waiting for further upside now potentially. So that's pound dollar. Kiwi dollar, still looking for further upside before any shorts. Pretty simple. And gold, still waiting for a rise on gold to take place. At the moment on gold, not much for the rest. We're still inside demand, not really seeing any reaction, or pretty much the reaction that I was hoping for. Diving in towards the daily time frame real quick as well. There's nothing really that I like. 4 hour, what is this wick? Yeah, this is just a liquidity wick. So yeah, pretty much really hoping that we are going to see some kind of push take place from this area of 4 hour demand. But yeah, for that we need to see some form of a trend switch over here on the lower time frame. So yeah, that is pretty much it. Euro yen still not inside of that area of demand, sad enough. So yeah, I'll just be waiting for the market to do its thing. Thanks guys for tuning in once again. If you have any questions, just let me know, and I wish you all a fantastic day. Thanks guys.